Mujer de luz, gritos y lloviendo, parto, rotos del cuerpo, trama, mujer de luz, madre, madre, madre que debería dar amor, pero en lugar dejadome por hambre, solo para saber, una vida de dolor. ¿Me amas? ¿Te amas? Somos los mismos, si solo parezco a él. Oscuridad se me presente y entra a mi cuerpo. Crezo pesada, así como mi cuerpo se me va de mí.
I hold the horns of the dead. I hold the horns of the dead. I hold the horns of the dead. Who traveled across this land, continent? Who passed away? We have a world on our shoulders. So many young without so much. So many dead who cannot. Repeat after me. I respect myself. I love myself. I am more than enough. I am a life of love. Dead repeat. I feel them in the breeze. Non-white bodies, so many. This is a white man's disease. Biological warfare, life unfair. Die, white, die. We cough, we suffer. They say, God bless you.
The coronavirus surge in the U.S. is hitting historic highs. More than 250,000 new cases were reported in America over the weekend. The 7-day average for the U.S. is now at more than 78,000. This is up 128% from September's low. The U.S. now sits at more than 9.2 million cases. This surge is happening in 44 states, but at least 3 of them are Midwest battleground states where President Trump and Democratic challenger Joe Biden are campaigning hard.
that thousands of protesters chanted during the George Floyd and police brutality protests across the country, "I can't breathe," is now on a sign out here as protesters protest what they say is unconstitutional, wearing a mask.
If this virus is something that we need to get over, then we need to catch it, we need to deal with it, just the way human beings have been doing for millions of years.
People won't learn. These people won't learn. You're a bunch of idiots wearing masks. You know it's not real. Look at you fools. You got a fucking doily on your face, you retard. You look like you fucking got it off your mom's countertop. You feel better now? You look like an idiot. You're a child. Trying to make you wear a mask. Shut up. Shut up. You're a dork. Look at you, you giant fucking dork. What are you gonna do? Come outside. Come outside and show me how to. I'll beat that fucking mask off your face like a fucking retard. Fucking pussies. You're a bunch of pussies wearing masks. Losers.
Goodbye.
You're 6 feet away from you. You're harassing me. I'm not harassing. You're 6 feet away from you. You're harassing me. I'm not harassing you. You're coming close to me. You're coming close to me. Back off! Threaten me again! Back the off or your phone down!